Welcome back to the Miami Report. I'm your host with the LRF Group. In Episode 1, we looked at the big picture of South Florida's record-breaking first quarter. Today, in Episode 2, we are zooming in on the single-family home market. This is where the action is, and the data from Q1 2026 reveals a market that is tightening, accelerating, and fundamentally changing. To understand where real estate is heading, you have to look at the resale market. When resales are active and moving quickly, pre-construction and new development follow. The single-family resale market is the engine of South Florida real estate, and right now, that engine is running hot. Let's look at the supply side. In the first quarter of 2025, there were 16,552 active single-family listings across the Tri-County area. Fast forward to Q1 2026, and that number has dropped to 13,993. That is a significant reduction in available inventory year over year. While supply is dropping, demand is surging. In Q1 2025, we saw 8,111 closed transactions. In Q1 2026, despite having less inventory to choose from, buyers closed 9,754 transactions. Less supply, more sales. This dynamic creates undeniable upward pressure on pricing. But a headline number of nearly 14,000 active listings doesn't tell the whole story. To really understand the market, we have to break that inventory down into three distinct tiers, A, B, and C, because what you are looking for dictates exactly what kind of market you are facing. Let's start at the top with the A tier. These are prime, waterfront properties built within the last 15 years. Across all of Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties, there are only 141 of these homes actively listed. The average price? $26 million. This is an ultra-rare, highly competitive segment driven by incoming wealth migration. Next is the B tier. These are prime location luxury homes, but non-waterfront. There are approximately 2,000 active listings in this category, with an average price of $12 million. This segment is the core of the luxury market, absorbing the deep-pocketed buyers relocating from high-tax states who want premium neighborhoods without the waterfront premium. Finally, we have the C tier, which encompasses everything else. This makes up the vast majority of the inventory, with 11,851 active listings averaging $1 million. This is the crucial segment for young families, primary residence buyers, and local professionals looking to establish their roots in South Florida. What does this mean for you? It means strategy matters more than ever. If you are hunting for an A-tier waterfront home, you are fighting over just 141 properties. You need aggressive positioning. If you are in the C tier, you have more options, but you are competing against a surge of transaction volume. The right approach depends entirely on which market you are in. Navigating this nuanced market requires expert guidance. If you are considering a real estate decision, reach out today to arrange a private consultation. This message is brought to you by the LRF Group, licensed in Florida and New York, with offices in Miami and Manhattan. Scan the QR code to subscribe to our free weekly market updates. At LRF Group, our services for your world.